Hello everyone. This video will demonstrate to you the basic uses of ScenarioBuilder's tools and features. For this video, we're going to use ScenarioRecorder, which is part of ScenarioBuilder, to create a Gmail account. It's a simple example but outlines the key uses of ScenarioBuilder. To get started, we will open ScenarioBuilder from the desktop. After ScenarioBuilder has launched, a welcome window will open displaying a brief introduction to ScenarioBuilder's tools and features and your choice to choose if you want to create a new scenario or choose scenarios you have created from other projects. For this video, we will choose New Scenario and name the new scenario Gmail. From the ScenarioBuilder menu, click on ScenarioRecorder. This time, you'll be welcomed with another introduction about ScenarioRecorder, which gives an overview as well as some simple examples to follow, similar to our other ScenarioBuilder's welcome window. ScenarioRecorder allows you to create scenarios much faster than ScenarioBuilder. It does so by recording your keystrokes and simplifying certain common actions like capture image and begin and end transaction. The ScenarioRecorder generates the same actions as ScenarioBuilder, which means you can update and add complex actions like conditions and error actions from ScenarioBuilder. ScenarioRecorder does not record all your mouse movements and think time. The first thing we need to do is click on the record button and begin creating your scenario. Open Gmail in your web browser. To do so, we will click on the Actions from the ScenarioRecorder menu bar, and in the Actions menu, click on Open with File Association. In the Open Associated Name text field, we will type in http://www.gmail.com and press Enter to playback and verify our action. You can also invoke actions by using hotkey functions that you can define in ScenarioRecorder preferences. When Gmail's web page has finished loading, we want to click on the Create an Account button. To do so, we need to capture the Create an Account button by clicking the Capture Image action from ScenarioRecorder and capture a select area of the button. We don't need to capture the whole image, just a significant fragment of the image for ScenarioBuilder to recognize. Every time you capture an image in ScenarioRecorder, an Image Preferences menu will open. From this menu, it will display the image you've captured. You may click on the plus sign to expand the details of that captured image. The image name with the image naming convention that is currently set, in this example, the scenario name Gmail, the letters IMG, and the image number, which is incremented by 1 every time an image is captured, may be changed in this window or later in ScenarioBuilder. The mouse anchor, which will position the mouse of where it will click on the captured image, the mouse position, where you can set a reference point on the captured image to click on another area, the mouse action, where you can configure the mouse's interaction with the captured image, such as left click or left double click, and a timeout, where a wait time can be given for ScenarioBuilder to find the captured image during playback. You can set your own default preferences by clicking ScenarioRecorder Preferences button on the ScenarioRecorder menu bar and configure these settings there. Press Enter after you have finished setting the preferences for your captured image. After we have pressed Enter, the website will load the page that will let you fill out a form to create an account. We will need to capture another image that is part of the image of first name and reference it to the first name text field. When we have the cursor placed in the first name text field, we'll type in the first name. We will now tab to the last name text field and type in the last name. From here, we will continue using the same tools and techniques that were introduced in this video and tab through to fill out the rest of this form. We can also fill in these text fields using a CSV file, which allows us to create multiple accounts within the same scenario. Once we have gotten to the bottom of the form, we will pause recording and push play to see how our scenario will be played back to us, as we have now completed filling out the form. This was a short video showing some of the tools and features of ScenarioBuilder. If you have any questions, visit www.energyglobal.com and look for our support page, and we will help you through the process.